Hello everyone, this is Lee again from Renovation Hacks You Should Know. Right now, nasa isang Quezon City village tayo. And as we go along this highway, na-observe natin na bawat bahay may kanya-kanyang fasad, may kanya-kanyang colors, and sa pamamagitan ng pagtingin mo sa facade design niya, masasabi mo kagad kung anong taon, kailan kaya siya nabuo, kailan siya nagawa. Aside from that, iba-iba din yung color. And it speaks about the style and the character of the owner. Pag inisip mo, para din pala siyang damit na nakadepende sa kung sinong may-ari, kung paano niya i-style yung sarili niya. Talk Talk! Renovation hacks you should know! Hack number 13! And today, we are going to talk about paint recommendations or hack para sa mga exterior ng bahay ninyo. This is according to what color is the most ideal bilang tropical country. The more ba na lighter or darker, ano po yung epekto niya sa loob ng bahay. So let's talk about it. And for those of you na walang idea or walang favorite color kung anong kulay yung gagamitin nila to paint their exterior walls, the most ideal and most sought after color would be white because according to study, 20% lang yung heat absorption niya. So mas fresh at mas maaliwalas yung pakiramdam sa loob ng mga unit or bahay na naka-color ng puti. And if you are a jolly person and have a positive outlook in life, malamang favorite mo yung yellow. So, yellow exterior paint will give you 28% heat absorption. So, medyo close enough na siya sa white color, pero at least may character pa rin, may personality pa rin. Okay, for those of you na gustong kulayan ng blue yung bahay nila, ang heat absorption nito sa interior ng bahay is around 35%. And lastly, when the color of the exterior paints are in dark shade or black color, based on studies, 98% ang heat absorption. Meaning to say, kagaya ng sinabi natin kanina, para nga siyang damit. The more na naka-dark shade color tayo, mas mainit sa pakiramdam. The same thing goes for the houses. So in summary, the more na mas dark yung color ng paint exterior, mas mainit because yung heat absorption niya ay mas mataas din. So, ang pinaka-ideal for tropical countries such as Philippines is color white. And ito yung mga paraan para mas mapa-cool down pa natin yung atmosphere within our houses. And if you are interested na magpa-repaint ng exterior paints nyo, just message our page. Ipa-flash ko na lang dito sa screen. And now, you know.